Welcome! On behalf of the Northeast Texas Pathways Initiative at Workforce Solutions Northeast Texas, thank you for joining us as we learn about finding work-based learning opportunities for students. As educators, one of the most impactful ways we can prepare our students for successful careers is by connecting them with real-world experiences that develop the skills they need in the workplace. Work-based learning, or WBL, is essential in helping students gain the practical knowledge and hands-on experience they need. In this session, we will explore a comprehensive guide for educators to identify, design, and implement work-based learning opportunities. We'll discuss how to create effective programs, develop partnerships, and ensure students are prepared for their placements. The guiding principles of work-based learning. Work-based learning, WBL, is a powerful educational strategy that connects classroom learning with real-world experiences, equipping students with the skills and knowledge necessary for career success. To ensure that WBL programs are effective, they should adhere to several guiding principles. These principles help create a framework that ensures the program is valuable for both students and employers, leading to meaningful and sustainable career development opportunities. Here are the key characteristics that define successful work-based learning programs. Alignment to career pathways. The first principle of WBL is ensuring that the program is clearly aligned to defined career pathways. Students should understand how their work experience fits into their future career trajectory. By making these connections clear, WBL helps students see the practical applications of their education and how specific job roles, skills, and industries relate to their long-term goals. The program should provide insight into the various career opportunities available within the field they are exploring. Skill development. Work-based learning is an essential opportunity for skill development. The tasks and experiences provided through WBL should help students develop both hard and soft skills that are directly applicable to their chosen career paths. These skills could range from technical job skills to critical workplace competencies such as communication, teamwork, and problem solving. Successful programs identify and validate these skills, allowing students to build a tangible skill set that enhances their future employability. Academic progress. WBL should not only provide career development, but also support students' academic progress. By integrating learning objectives from classroom education, work-based learning reinforces what students are learning in the classroom while helping them apply that knowledge in a real-world context. This alignment ensures that students are making academic progress while gaining hands-on experience in the workforce. Measuring progress. To ensure that WBL experiences are effective, it is essential to track and measure progress. Both employers and students should regularly assess the student's performance and learning outcomes throughout the program. Feedback from employers about skill, work ethic, and accomplishments helps guide students' development, while students can self-reflect on their growth. Regular evaluations provide insights that can lead to continuous improvement in the program. Meaningful work. One of the most important principles of WBL is ensuring that the tasks assigned to students are purposeful and relevant to their career goals. Meaningful work should challenge students, provide opportunities to practice their skills, and offer them exposure to tasks and projects that align with their career interests. When students are given meaningful work, they are more likely to engage in the program, feel motivated, and gain a deeper understanding of their chosen career field. Compensation and rewards. Work-based learning programs should reward participants for their contributions. While compensation is a common form of reward, it is not the only one. Students can also benefit from the intangible rewards of building a professional network, gaining mentorship, and developing industry connections that can lead to future career opportunities. Regardless of the specific form of rewards, Recognizing the value that students bring to their work placements enhances their learning experience and motivates them to fully engage in the program. By incorporating these guiding principles, educators can ensure that their work-based learning programs offer meaningful, structured, and supportive experiences for students. These principles not only enhance the quality of the program, but also increase the likelihood that students will transition from education into successful careers. The roadmap for implementing a successful work-based learning program. Now, let's dive deep into the key steps to implement a successful work-based learning program. This will involve a few important stages. Number 1, program planning and design. Number 2, identifying opportunities. Number 3, developing partnerships. Number 4, preparing students. Number 5, placing students with disabilities. Number 6, program implementation and monitoring. Number 7, evaluation and feedback. Number 8, post-program support. Program planning and design. The first step in creating a successful WBL program is program planning and design. Defining objectives. Start by identifying the goals of the WBL program. These might include skills development, career exploration, and providing students with exposure to various industries. It's crucial to align these goals with both educational standards and the individual career aspirations of your students. Partnerships. Establishing strong relationships with local businesses, industry associations, and community organizations is key. Collaborating with these partners allows you to create mutually beneficial opportunities that support both the student's learning and the employer's needs. Program structure. Determine the type of WBL program you'll offer, whether that's internships, apprenticeships, job shadowing, or project-based learning. Additionally, ensure that the structure fits both the academic calendar and the employer's timeline. Identifying opportunities. Once your program is planned, the next step is identifying opportunities. Industry research. Begin by researching local industries and employers that align with your students' career interests. Identify key contacts within these businesses who could become potential partners for work placements. Outreach and networking. Attend industry events, career fairs, and networking functions to establish connections. Platforms like LinkedIn can be valuable tools for connecting with industry professionals and finding work-based learning opportunities. Community engagement. Engage with local chambers of commerce, workforce boards, and business development organizations. By leveraging these connections, you can access even more opportunities for your students while promoting the benefits of partnering with your educational institution. Developing partnerships. After identifying potential partners, focus on developing partnerships. Proposal and pitch. Create a compelling proposal for employers, highlighting the benefits of offering WBL opportunities, such as access to emerging talent and community involvement. Scheduling meetings to present your proposal is a great way to initiate these partnerships. It's essential to formalize your partnerships with clear agreements. Develop MOUs that outline roles, responsibilities, and expectations for both your institution and the employer. This ensures clarity regarding supervision, safety, evaluation, and legal considerations. Communication and coordination. Open and regular communication is key to maintaining successful partnerships. Designate a contact person within your institution to manage relationships with each employer and ensure coordination throughout the student placement process. The next critical phase is preparing students for their work-based learning placements. Career readiness. Offering career readiness workshops is essential. Topics must include resume writing, interview techniques, and professional behavior. Help students reach potential employers and industries that align with their interests. Application process. Assist students with the application process, preparing materials, and practicing interviews. Mock interviews are an excellent way to help students gain confidence and improve their presentation skills. Before the placement begins, provide an orientation to help students understand workplace expectations, communication skills, and time management. Preparing students mentally and practically is key to ensuring a smooth transition. Placing students with disabilities. Now, let's talk specifically about placing students with disabilities in work-based learning settings. Individualized assessment and planning. It's important to conduct a thorough assessment of students' strengths, weaknesses, and skills. Developing an individualized education program, IEP, that outlines specific goals, accommodations, and modifications is essential for their success. Workplace readiness skills. Focus on building essential soft skills like communication, teamwork, and problem solving. Additionally, provide training in relevant technical skills that will support the student's work-based learning experience. Job placement and support. Identify suitable work environments and collaborate with employers to ensure the student receives the necessary support. If needed, offer job coaching and ongoing monitoring. Monitoring and evaluation. Conduct regular check-ins to assess progress and address any challenges. Collect data on performance to help evaluate the success of the placement and make improvements for future opportunities. Program implementation and monitoring. Now that students are prepared, we move on to program implementation and monitoring. Match students with opportunities that align with their skills, interests, and career goals. Ensure that employers provide adequate supervision and support throughout the placement. Mentorship. Encourage employers to assign mentors who can offer guidance, provide regular feedback, and help students navigate the workplace. Ongoing support. Stay in regular contact with both students and employers to monitor progress. Be proactive in addressing any challenges and provide additional resources or support when necessary. Evaluation and feedback. To ensure the program's success, evaluation and feedback are essential. Performance reviews. Implement a structured evaluation process that includes self-assessments, employer evaluations, and educator reviews. This helps to measure both student performance and learning outcomes. Feedback mechanisms. Create opportunities for students and employers to provide feedback on their experience. Consider surveys, focus groups, or one-on-one meetings to gather insights. Continuous improvement. Analyze the feedback to identify areas for program improvement. Make adjustments as needed to enhance the quality of future work-based learning opportunities. Post-program support. Once the program is completed, post-program support becomes important for long-term success. Reflection and debriefing. Facilitate reflection sessions where students can discuss their experiences. This allows them to reflect on what they've learned and how it has influenced their career goals. Career pathways. Help students explore their next steps, whether that's further education, another work-based learning opportunity, or beginning their job search. Alumni networks. Stay connected with program alumni to build a network of professionals who can offer mentorship and job opportunities. Continued professional development for alumni is also a great way to keep them engaged. In conclusion, implementing a well-structured and thoughtful work-based learning program can provide students with invaluable experience that complements their academic learning and prepares them for future careers. By following the steps outlined in this guide, educators can create robust opportunities that meet the needs of all students, including those with disabilities. Work-based learning not only enhances student skills, but also creates a direct pathway to employment and career development. I hope this guide helps you in creating meaningful work-based learning opportunities for your students.